This is Donald Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and this morning I'm going to be making cranberry scones. We're going to need 2 cups of flour, an eighth a teaspoon of salt, 3.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of milk, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, orange zest, a third a cup of butter, and a half a cup of dried cranberries. So let's get started. We're going to take our half a cup of dried cranberries. You can add a little more. And put them in the buttermilk. We're going to let them soak in the buttermilk for 5 minutes. Now we're going to zest our orange. I do not have a zester, so I'm going to use a cheese grater. We need 1.5 teaspoons of orange zest, so not a ton. We're going to add 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of our sugar, and an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. We're going to whisk these ingredients together. Now we're going to cut in our third a cup of butter. We're going to lay out some parchment paper on our work area and then lightly flour it. We're going to pour out our dough on top of our parchment paper. We're going to pat our dough into an 8-inch square. We want to make sure that it's even thickness. We're going to cut our dough into 8 wedges. So I'm cutting diagonally across. And then I'm doing it again, the other direction. You can take some flour from your working area and put it on your knife. And then cut these in half. I'm going to brush on our tablespoon of milk and sprinkle on our sugar. We're going to bake our scones for 16 minutes at 425 degrees. I've taken my scones out of the oven and I'll let them cool for 5 minutes. Our scones are ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.